In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Behance link to LinkedIn. If you want to showcase your creative work more effectively, linking your Behance profile to your LinkedIn page is a great idea. It helps recruiters, clients, and collaborators quickly find your portfolio without having to search for it separately. The good news is that this is a simple process and only takes a few moments. To get started, go to Behance. Once you're on the site, head to your Behance profile by clicking on your profile area in the upper right corner of the screen. This is where you can access the public page that displays your work, and it's the link you'll want to feature on LinkedIn. Make sure you're on the correct profile page before moving on, since this is the portfolio link people will eventually visit. After that, go to LinkedIn and locate the View Profile area so you can open your personal profile page. This is the main place where you'll manage what appears publicly on your profile. Once you're there, look for the Add section button and click it. When the menu opens, scroll until you find the recommended category. This section contains options that can help highlight important content on your profile. Keep scrolling until you locate Add Featured. The Featured section is especially useful because it allows you to pin important links, media, and work samples near the top of your profile, making them much easier for visitors to notice. Once you find that option, select it, and then click on Add a Link. This will open the area where you can paste your Behance profile URL. At this point, simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process and save the link. Depending on LinkedIn's current interface, you may also be able to add a title or description, which can make the link look more polished and give viewers a better idea of what they'll find when they click. Before saving, it's a good idea to quickly double-check that the link is correct and leads to the right Behance profile. That small review can help you avoid broken links or outdated portfolio pages. Once everything looks right, save your changes. And that's it. Your Behance portfolio should now be added to your LinkedIn profile, giving your work more visibility and making your profile stronger and more professional. If you keep your Behance portfolio updated, your LinkedIn profile will become an even better reflection of your current skills and creative projects.